In front of me is Motorola Moto G87, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. You need to begin by holding your search bar and waiting for Remove section to show. When it does, drag your search bar on top of it, and when it turns see-through, let go. As you can see, my search bar was successfully removed. If you ever wanna restore it, hold your display, then choose Widgets at the bottom left corner. Scroll to access Google app, and when you find it, tap on it. Then tap on Search Bar widget and select Add. Last but not least, hold it to place it wherever you want to and let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!